So this was a happy accident, and these are kind of the things that this channel is meant for. But these things on the screen, I already prearranged them, but these were segments from the last recording video that I did, and I deleted. I didn't realize that there were still tracks here, but I deleted all the tracks here in session view and repopulated them, and those tracks stayed here. And I ended up playing it, and this is what I ended up with. So something like this, I could totally see myself messing around with some guitar stuff. Kind of populating. This could be like a good foundation as kind of a rhythmic, harmonic kind of textural foundation on which I can then add some melodies, because there's not really any kind of melodies to this, and so that is kind of a cool thing. I might actually try this in the future with other videos to see how I end up with something pretty cool sounding when I just build a different project and then I repopulate all the individual sounds with different sounds, and then just see right off the bat, do those sounds work well together with the last project, creating a whole new kind of movement. Does it sound like the same exact thing with just different sounds, or does it literally create a whole different environment where I've created a whole other piece of music, and maybe it's not a perfect piece, but maybe it's good enough that I just need to go in and touch up some areas. So then I've maximized productivity on one piece of music by this one simple trick.